This is the 35mm diameter aluminium. This should be a good size for the coin. We can get this on the 32s using the oversized kit. I think we should get it mocked up and see what we can fit on both sides of the coin in terms of a face, a feature or engraving. We might even be able to engrave around the outside as well, so that's another thing to consider. And this is a 20mm diameter bar. This isn't aluminium, but I think this would be a really good size for the hat. This gives us scope not just to run on the 32s but also on the 20s as well. I think for the third part for the ball we'd choose something a little bit smaller rather than coming down from this sort of size. Okay, so out of each of the designs, have we decided which one we want to go ahead with?
Yeah, we've gone for the Santa hat.
We thought it'd be a better idea because it's 3 parts that fit together.
Yeah, it's small Christmas themed as well, so that's why we've gone for it.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, like it.
Since you're choosing the hat, I would recommend you to run it on a Star SR32 machine. The Star SR32 is using a 16mm section tooling and will use as a turning wise DCGT 0.2mm radius. Now the threading wise, as we talked before, we'll use a 2mm thread with a 0.4mm pitch. We'll have an external and internal thread. The external thread will use this tip, and for internal thread we'll have a roll form tap. For the roll form tap we'll use a 1.85 millimeter drill, and that's all.